Hello traders, welcome to this video where I will be demonstrating, well, at least the first of a series of videos where I will be demonstrating or talking about a system that I built, which is a deep learning based Forex trading robot. So the name of the system is ForeverX, and I know what you're thinking, what a silly name. I know, I'm not the best at naming stuff. Yeah, so it's called ForeverX, and I built it myself from scratch. Just a little bit more about ForeverX. It is, as I mentioned, a deep learning based Forex trading robot. And just to give credit where it's due, the strategy on which it is built was inspired by a man called Dr. Giovanni. I will leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description box. So the strategy on which it is built, right? This is specifically the trading strategy that I use, was inspired by the ideas and theories that he shares in his videos. He has quite a number of long form videos where he discusses these ideas, and they are mathematically based. And yeah, for the past 2 years, I've used his videos to design the system that I built. So I strongly advise, if you want to learn about the strategy, go watch his videos. He explains everything in detail. But before we begin, I have to put out this disclaimer. This video is meant for demonstrating a system built to trade on the Forex market and thus activity performed on the Forex markets. It is solely meant for the purpose of giving practical examples. This is in no way meant to give financial advice or obligation to begin trading in any way. Trading is a risky activity, and the responsibility to take part, manage risk, and make profits or losses remains with the owner of the trading account. I assume no responsibility for action taken based on the information given in this video. Very important. So how does it look like? So ForeverX is as I mentioned, Forex robot. It is made up of 3 parts. The first being an expert advisor, which some people refer to as the Forex robot, because this is the MQ05 program that runs on MetaTrader. For the purpose of this video, I'll refer to the whole system as a Forex robot. The expert advisor is made up of 3 parts: a real-time data collector, a training data collector, and a money manager. So the training data collector is responsible for getting all the historical trading data, which is then passed on to the artificial neural network for training. The real-time data collector collects the current information of what's going on right now in the markets, passes that on to the ANN as well for prediction. And the money manager is responsible for receiving the predictions from the ANN, executing the trades that are advised by the ANN, and also ensuring that proper risk management is adhered to. Yes, second part being the artificial neural network itself. So this is a Python program using the TensorFlow and Keras libraries. Basically what it does is it reads the data that comes from the expert advisor, trains itself based on the training data that's collected from the expert advisor, predicts what could possibly happen based on what's currently happening as given by the real-time data collector. These predictions, as I mentioned, fed back to the money manager, which then executes the trades in a properly in a way that is that adheres to certain rules. So the last part is then the visualizer. This is a simple web application. The front end made using React, back end NODEJS. So the NODEJS part receives data from the expert advisor as well. So the expert advisor also has a plotting a data plotter to it, which creates a CSV file, which the backend can read, the Node.js part can read. This is then sent to the React front end whenever a request is made. And this is basically how the system interacts. It is a feedback. It does have a feedback part. So basically how it works is the data is received by the ANN, as mentioned, fed into the money manager, makes its trades, executes its trades. When all those trades are closed, the expert advisor then collects data based on what happened, whether those trades were successful or not, feeds that back to the neural network, which trains itself. Also receives the real time of the data currently, or the data that's of what's happening right now, and then makes predictions and feeds that back. So it's an entire closed loop, and it goes on and on and on. So I will discuss different parts of the system as I go along. So you can let me know in the comment section below which parts you would like me to discuss first, whether the expert advisor, go in a bit more detail, the neural network itself, or simply the visualizer. So you could let me know in the comment section below, and I will do that. Maybe I will, before I go on, talk about the results that I achieved in the past 3 days. So I created, this is a demo account, by the way, which I created on the 2nd of February. I'm recording this video on the 5th, which is a Saturday, so markets are closed. I started on the 2nd, where I created a demo account with a $500 deposit. So as you can see, started on the 2nd of February, went all the way till the 4th of February. Let me maybe expand this a little so we can see. So in that time, it made a total profit of $161, which is about 32% growth in 3 days, an average of about just over 10% daily profits, which is quite good. So as you can see, some trades, these were all the positive trades in that time, and these were all the negative trades. And so what matters with this system is that the positive trades exceed the negative trades, or especially in value. I work on a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, but obviously I can discuss that in a further video if that is something that you guys are interested in hearing. And so that will be it for this video. I will record another video discussing some of the parts in a bit more detail.